That's it, road closed. We are here in the Mission Valley, Fashion Valley section of San Diego, and whenever it rains, these roads get flooded out. And I can see in the back that maybe somebody tried to cross over the river, but there's no way. Check this out. So there you go. Man, that guy tried to cross, but that's it. That's a, looks like it's a bakery delivery. So if you're wondering where your order is, it's stuck. I think there's some more cars submerged over here. So let's go take a look. Okay, there's another one. Ooh. I just heard from some people who lived up here, said that this guy tried to cross early this morning and got stuck. And I guess he was in there for like 30 minutes. And I guess the police had to come out here with some canoes and get the guy out. So apparently the water wasn't as high as it is now. Can you imagine that? So that's the power of the San Diego River. Even the bike trail is flooded, so you may see me on the news riding on my bike stuck. Wow, so we got two on this one. Check that out. There's one right there. And then another car submerged over there. Yeah, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to cross this guy. That is literally its own river. It's like the San Diego River. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to go around and get back on the other side. So, okay, let's swim. This is the end of the road on this side. So that sign over there says 15 feet clearance. And we damn know that that water's almost 15 feet. That's crazy. So I got to figure a way to get around to the other side and see we can see over there. Okay, I made it around. So I was literally right there on the other side. I was able to cross over up here on Friars, and yeah, so the flooding definitely continues. Yeah, I was literally right there. And you can kind of see the bridge. That water is almost right to the top of the 163. So, and then look at this. Fashion Valley is underwater too. Look at all that. I can't find my car. It's under there somewhere. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, as you can see, another car in the dip. I hope they got good insurance. Right?
Floating.
Yeah, floating insurance, water insurance.
Boating insurance.
Yeah, yeah, boating insurance. There it is. So, yeah, this was a good one. If you can call it that, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let's find it. Maybe we'll head over to OB and see what this looks like on that side. So even the Mission Valley YMCA got flooded out. Check that out. He's got a Deadhead shirt and he's riding a bike. Okay, let's see how far west I can get on this road. You can see those currents going crazy. Well, this is where all that water winds up eventually. The San Diego River dumps out right there next to Ocean Beach, and that water just heads off into the Pacific Ocean. But wow, you know, I've never seen San Diego flooded that bad before. Some of that water really crept up on the road there, water creep. But I think we got one more night of rain, and then who knows, no rain for a while. So we needed it. But yeah, that was a lot of turmoil, a lot of destruction, and I guess a lot of fun to look at, because there was a lot of people, including myself, outside taking photos. I'm gonna head back before it starts raining again.